Oliver!
Babe, what's going on? Why are you screaming my name like that?
Why would you use the toilet and not flush it? Do you know how repulsive that is?
Babe, I'm so sorry. I forgot. Okay?
Oliver, you forgot? Why on earth would you use the toilet and forget to flush it? Why?
To even think that there are still people like this, like you will use the toilet and you will forget to flush it, and you are living with somebody. You are not. It's not as if you are even living alone. That's disgusting. Like, my country, before I don't carry another Bengal movie, come for na domot again. You don't know as they do and for my page. No moment at all. As then they cook come now, so they carry come give now. So on today's episode, now Maurice and this however gorgeous introvert queen, Chinenye Ubah. I know you have missed this screen goddess. You know, I know you've missed seeing her on your screen. So I brought her today. This girl can act. That's why I love her so much. I still don't know the reason why she's off social media, but it's all good. At least we are enjoying her on our screen. Okay, guys, I will allow to make una watch before I continue. Una know as they do. I'm just typing title for comment section, and I will provide the title. This movie is already a banger, and only will be there inside this movie.
Would you use the toilet and... This... Oliver!
Babe, what's going on? Why are you screaming my name like that?
Why would you use the toilet and not flush it? Do you know how repulsive that is?
Babe, I'm so sorry. I forgot. Okay?
Oliver, you forgot? Why on earth would you use the toilet and forget to flush it? Why?
To even think that there are still people like this, like you will use the toilet and you will forget to flush it, and you are living with somebody. You are not. It's not as if you are even living alone. That's disgusting. Like, my country, before I don't carry another Bengal movie, come for na domot again. You don't know as they do and for my page. No moment at all. As then they cook come now, so they carry come give now. So on today's episode, now Maurice and this however gorgeous introvert queen, Chinenye Ubah. I know you have missed this screen goddess. You know, I know you've missed seeing her on your screen. So I brought her today. This girl can act. That's why I love her so much. I still don't know the reason why she's off social media, but it's all good. At least we are enjoying her on our screen. Okay, guys, I will allow to make una watch before I continue. Una know as they do. I'm just typing title for comment section, and I will provide the title. This movie is already a banger, and only will be there inside this movie.
Would you use the toilet and forget to flush it? Why? Listen, I do not condone such dirtiness in my house. Do you know it is such a disgusting sight? The other day you soaked your briefs for 11 good days, Oliver.
Baby, who was counting?
I was doing the counting, Oliver.
Are you being serious?
Yes!
But you know, I've had enough. So what if I use the toilet and forgot to flush? Can't you flush it without making a big deal out of it? Baby, you're my wife, I'm your husband. Why can't you flush the toilet for me?
Really? Are you serious right about now? You expect me to flush the mess you made? Oliver, it is beneath me.
Beneath you?
Oh, yes, it is.
Okay, you know what? Since it's beneath you, I'm going to move out of that room right now. There are many rooms I can move to in this house.
Great news! And while you are at it, please could you just move your things out of my wardrobe?
I am going there right now. I want to get my stuff.
Why would a grown-ass man forget to flush the toilet?
It's just flushing the toilet. There's a knob there.
Why didn't you do that, Alex? Oh my God!
I forgot.
It was such a disgusting sight. I just couldn't think. Why?
Can we get over?
People will no matter. wahala. People wey come marry, wahala. Since we una two don marry, na so complain, so quarrel fight una dey for this house. But bros, you why your own come different? You go toilet, you no flush am. Why you want me to flush am for you? This my madam sef her own too much. Every time she dey quarrel. You no fit flush the toilet for your husband. Wow.
Yeah, I don't want any. Just leave me alone. No, just leave me alone, please.
I'm sorry, please. I'll never try it again. I promise.
Oh no. So you can't flush. You can't flush. If I forgot to flush, you can't flush for me.
See, I'm sorry. I'm learning. I'm learning. I would never say such. I'll never use such words on you again. I promise.
I believe you.
Now you want to? I'm not giving. No.
Come here.
No.
Are you serious?
I don't want it.
I'm supposed to be the one doing this, or
No.
All right, come here. I'm sorry. I'm sorry to miss you.
Sit.
Why don't you come and show me how much you miss me?
I missed you.
I miss you.
So what have you been up to?
A lot.
Really? Oh, I needed this. I needed it. What's that? What? What was that? You're such a cute joy, Oliver. You had to sneeze on my face.
I didn't sneeze. Look, my throat was itching.
But then why on my face? You could have used the toilet.
Baby.
You could have just used the bathroom, Oliver.
Yes, baby. Come
No. Please. Just go wash your hands.
Baby.
Please.
Baby, what? Gosh, man. What the hell is this? How did we do this? I could be seeing when I want to know you for. Baby, wait. Hey.
Have you had your bath?
Baby.
Have you had your bath?
Babe, I've been home all day. I didn't even step out of this house.
Oliver, your sweat glands were active. You are an adult, you should know that.
Babe, I'm not smelling. Am I? Baby, let's...
Please, sir, please. Please.
Babe. Babe, if you don't want me in your room, I can go to my room.
Is this some kind of joke? Is this some kind of joke, Oliver? You want to go to bed without having a bath?
Baby, please, Chantel, please, enough. Okay, what's the problem? What did they happen now? I'm tired now. What's the problem? You know they tire. I don't tire for the kind of thing what you do. Baby, if you don't feel accept me for who I be, down on your cup of tea. Now your cup of tea.
Hi.
What you be eye what you do?
Who did I get married to?
Now me. Look, now me be this. Now me for my full form. Now me be this. See, I don't tire for this pretense. So just accept me for who I be. I don't be down on your cup of tea.
This one shocked Chinenye reach her bone marrow. She was like, who did I get married to? She didn't know that this Maurice on this movie now will. So she fell in love with him, thinking he's one sophisticated, rich, intelligent, and neat guy, not knowing that one apadeti boy where they pretend because of her money. This movie is everything and more. You need to watch it. Rush now to Chinenye TV. The title, I will drop it in the comment section. Just type in title and I will drop it. She never expected that. She as Maurice just the power say, hey girl, I don't pretend enough for this is me and you need to accept me for who I am. If you have forgotten, we are now married. That's what Chinenye open mouth say, it was done on her right away. Say, Omo, this one I don't enter into serious say. Guys, you need to watch this movie. Rush to YouTube now. See you guys on my next episode. Bye.